Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi A1 Black Edition Sportback finished in Mythos Black. This A1 features the 1.5 litre TFSI petrol engine paired with the Tronic automatic gearbox, delivering a smooth and nippy driving experience. It does sit nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels, and it features LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 335 litres of space. This can be increased to 1090 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have a gorgeous part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to the front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit you've got access to different driving data like your average fuel consumption, and there's also your audio and telephone menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to DAB and FM radio. Alternatively, in the media section you can play your own music. Here you've got access to USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Head into the telephone menu now and you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls, and there's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so you can even access compatible apps directly on the display. Below the touchscreen you'll find your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. And here in the centre console you'll find your automatic gear selector along with the leather wrapped handbrake. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi A1 Black Edition Sportback finished in Mythos Black. For more information please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'll be more than happy to help with your inquiry.